Hello classmates, this is my exercise for the 4th week of the course in Coursera about medieval manuscripts. In this time I'm going to explain you how I have missed in page the text, and I did it on 2 real choir manuscripts and on my previous quaternio binded papyrus that I did the last week, previous exercise. And how I divided the surface into the text area and marked by pricking the margins for the lines to make the clear writing. What I have used in this time of exercise are one book of hunting that is made by a French writer in the 14th century, and also a cancionero in Spanish, that is a book of poems in Spanish that is written in the 17th. I use some colors, one pencil, a compass, the 2 real manuscripts that I found, and my previous quaternio binded. Then I follow the instructions given by the course, and I made the secret canon in each of its pages to realize if the laws for writing were applied. Then the secret canon according to sheet hold, and that is explained by Sanchez Prieto in 2012. And this is the explanation by the Coursera. You see there is a line in here, another line in there, and then across. Then following the instruction of the course, I made a circle and then 2 lines crossing from one corner to the other one, and then draw the circle. This is my first manuscript. It's about a hunted book, and you can see here is a beautiful drawing with deers and plants, also dogs and other animals, and the text is in French explaining the procedure of hunting and the tools or whatever. Also the letters are beautiful writing, and also the capital letters are very ornamental expressed, and you can see there are margins up and down, and also inner and outer margins, but I couldn't find they are respecting the secret canon. I'm going to explain you. By the way, I have to say these images were kindly provided by Orbis Medievalis, and they are on sale. You can buy them if you want. Then I found the images and the text are overlapped with the secret canon, because the rectangle in the center is in the middle, and there are not margins concerning to that, or perhaps the original page was bigger and it has been cut. That's why the canon is different here. Okay, now I'm going to expound or show the manuscript number 2, that is a cancionero. It's a poem book in Spanish, written in the 17th century, and it's visible some margins are lateral and inner margins, but not very precisely. You see here the handwriting is almost to the end of the page, covering all the space, so there is not secret canon here either. Okay, this is what I have done to find the secret canon. I draw 2 lines from one corner to the other corner of the text. This is only approximate, not very accurately, because you need a ruler and more precise procedure. And then with the compass in this point I draw a circle, something like this, and then where the cycle was cutting the page, I draw a rectangle. If I am allowed to show you. No, okay, so yes, I draw a rectangle, something like this, right from this corner to the other corner, and then the corner downstairs. This is not this is very different procedure. Okay, I'm going to go on. I hope you will understand what I did. Then this text, I didn't found clear margins either. So summarizing what I found in the manuscripts that I choose are this: the secret canon, applying the secret canon, a rectangle, a smaller rectangle is visible in the text, and then a piece of the drawing or the picture and the text are inside, but margins are not respected considering the secret canon in these manuscripts. This might be due, as I was previously explaining, because the original page were bigger, and then perhaps the original page were over those margins, and the secret canon then would be exactly this circle. I don't know. But also it happens in the poema or cancionero book. In this case, the margins are not respected either, and you can see the margins up and down margins are not respected, and in this case the down page of the margin you see in here is completely outside the rectangle of the text area, so this is not either applying the secret canon. Okay, my next step was drawing the secret canon in my quaternio. I'm making the mise page on this little book. Then I did the same. I draw two lines from one corner to the other, and from this corner to the other, and then in the middle where these two lines are cut, I draw a circle, and where the circle were cutting these lines, I made a rectangle, and inside I draw some lines like this. You can see here, this is the text area. Then I found I had some margins in here, and made some drawing with my colors to make it beautiful. And also I used the brick, and made some holes in this area to follow the lines of the text. Okay, and then this is the procedure of the pricking with my compass. And also I prepared the next pages of this quaternio with the text area already drawn. Then I know where is the text area for if I have to write something else in there. Okay, now I would like to explain you how I did with this video with images. Then in this case you might see I started with okay, this is the video how I did it. I started with two lines, one to the in each corner, then in the middle of two lines I made the circle with my compass, and in the places where the compass were cutting the previous lines, I made a rectangle, and those were the margins. I also did it for the other manuscripts, as I previously explained you. Okay, and I would like to say thank you very much to Professor Sanchez Prieto and Martinez Davila for their teaching and organizational course, and also to the team of Coursera because they made this course possible. Thank you very much. I hope I have done fine to get my diploma. Fine.